smell and sound. One evening, a poor farm worker was on his way home. A very pleasant smell came from a sweetmeat shop on the road. His mouth watered. He went to the shop and stood there for some time. Then he turned to go because he could not afford to buy the sweetmeat. Just then, he heard the shopkeeper's commanding voice. "Stop! You can't go without making payment." "Payment? For what?" asked the man. "For the sweetmeat," said the shopkeeper. "But I haven't eaten any," said the man. "But you did enjoy its smell, didn't you?" asked the shopkeeper. "Smelling is as good as eating." The poor man looked very much worried. Now, a wise man was standing by. He took the man aside. He whispered a word of advice into his ears. The man's face lit up. He went to the shopkeeper and jingled a few coins in his pocket. The shopkeeper seemed pleased. He said, "Come on, pay the money." The man said, "I have paid it." The shopkeeper said, "No, you haven't." And the man said, "Didn't you hear the jingle of the money? If smelling is as good as eating, hearing is as good as receiving. Ha ha ha." He raised his head in pride and stood there for some time. Then he walked away. The moral is tit for tat.